this is Stan Robinson with SHR Marketing. Today I'm going to be doing another comparison of the current desktop user interface and the new desktop user interface that's rolling out, just so you will have a sense of what the differences are when you're looking at someone who is a second degree connection from you. In other words, someone with whom you have at least one mutual connection. So as you've probably already seen, the photo, the name, the headline are the same, except that they've reformatted the photo, made it a little bit smaller, and now it's in a circle rather than a square. The headline, still the same, but right below that, some things start to change a little bit. This is the current design. What you'll notice is that they've consolidated all of this. Industry no longer appears in the new design. In this case, it's marketing and advertising. I'll show you that in a second. And education moves up. They've taken out most of this information right here, except for your current position. So let's look at the new interface, see what we're talking about here. This is the current position in terms of job or business listed on the profile. This is the most recent educational institution that you list. The location still the same, number of connections still the same, and so forth. Right below that in the new design, you're going to see the summary, and if you want to read it in full, you'll need to click more to be able to see the entire summary. In your current desktop interface, the first thing that you see under this basic information up here are the posts. And as I'll show you in a second, they've reordered the posts and the summary in the new interface. I'll also point out contact information. Current interface, you just click right here for contact information, shows you the publicly available contact information the person has listed. In the new design for contact information, you'll go over to the right-hand column and you'll find it right here. And when you click See More, you'll be able to see that contact information. Another thing that has changed slightly is this drop-down right next to Send the person an email. Here you were previously able to view recent activity, follow, share the profile, save to PDF, block, or report. That drop-down is gone. Now, if you click on these three dots to the right, this is where you can share the profile, follow, report, or blocked. To see the person's recent activity, now you'll need to scroll down here. You can click on See All Posts, believe it or not. So it's gone from one click to about 3 to be able to view recent activity. I'm going to have to scroll back up, and here you see a choice of posts, shares, and activity. So in this case, Lindsay's been quiet recently, but if she did have shares, comments, etc., you would see those right here under activity. The other thing that I mentioned is that the posts and the summary have been reordered, so now the summary appears above that. And LinkedIn has introduced a new section, which is called Highlights, which you see right here. And highlights are right under the summary. I like this because it shows you who your mutual connections are, and it shows you your mutual groups right here at the top, because this is helpful information. In the current interface, in order to find who your mutual connections are, you had to scroll down the right-hand column to this How You're Connected section. And in the new interface, it's right at the top, which is helpful. The other thing that is new is currently when you scroll down the person's profile, you see the summary, you see their skills, you see their education, experience, and people can reorder these sections in the existing design. With the new design, unfortunately, you will not be able to reorder these sections like experience, skills, education, etc. And I'm going to show you that next, because LinkedIn has created a new section in the new design that when you scroll down past experience, education, skills, recommendations, there's a section called accomplishments, and this is new. But as you can see, this is where projects, courses, if a person has listed awards, multiple languages, certifications, etc., those will all appear right here under accomplishments. The other information further down the profile in terms of who they're following and that type of information has not changed much. Okay, so hope that helps, and stay tuned for future videos as far as more updates. Have a great day.